Meet the Landers, the revolutionary new standing desk from iMovR. Featuring the latest in high-tech advancements, the Landers set up in just minutes and come with a free smartphone app. When you want to adjust your desk height, the advanced high-resolution LED light paddle intuitively tilts to adjust your desk up or down, so you don't have to fumble around looking for the correct button. The Landers Companion app activates advanced control functions. Create your personalized height favorites with ease. The built-in health coach lets you set notification intervals, reminding you to change positions, so you'll be sure to meet your standing time goals every day. The most remarkable thing about the Lander is it doesn't take an hour to build like most other standing desks. It ships almost entirely pre-assembled, so you can get standing in just minutes. In addition to all the functionality, you can completely customize the Lander to your exact space and decor, and have it shipped to you in just 1 week. The elegant, ergo-contoured, 3D laminated surfaces are incredibly durable and come in hundreds of sizes and color combinations. Like all iMovR standing desks, the Lander is also available with our patented SteadyType keyboard tray for the best ergonomics, stability, and typing performance. The Lander features the most advanced anti-collision technology to protect you and your investment. And of course, all the most important matching ergonomic accessories can be added to perfect your new workstation. The Lander is entirely made in the USA from the highest quality components, featuring dual precision Bosch motors that can silently lift up to 360 pounds at a speed of 1.6 inches per second. In addition to our industry-leading warranty, we're so confident that you'll love the Lander that we're offering a 100-day satisfaction guarantee. For more information, visit iMovR.com.